Hey, Power Life hackers, are you tired of stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? Those love handles that laugh at your crunches? What if I told you that in just 30 days, you can start melting away belly fat and sculpt your sides with just 15 minutes a day? This is not hype. This is science. And this is your 30-day belly and side fat challenge. No equipment, no gym, just raw, body sculpting, fat torching power at home. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a full 30-day workout plan, but you'll also understand what foods burn belly fat, how to boost fat-burning hormones, and why doing this every day can transform your body. Stick around to the end, because I've got a bonus 5-minute finisher that'll skyrocket your results. Let's do this together. Let's torch that belly fat one day at a time. Belly fat isn't just about how you look, it's about your health. Visceral fat, the kind that wraps around your organs, increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and inflammation. But here's the kicker. Most people try to spot reduced fat and fail. The secret? You need a full-body fat-burning strategy with focus on hormonal control, daily consistency, and targeted core movements. And that's exactly what this challenge is about. Here's the deal. Every day for 30 days, you're going to do 10 minutes of targeted workouts that will show you 5 minutes of focused core breathing, follow 3 simple nutrition rules, and track your progress weekly. This challenge is broken down into 4 weeks. Week 1, activate and burn. Week 2, sculpt and shred. Week 3, intensify and lean out. Week 4, final burn, plus core lockdown. Before we start, make sure to take a before picture, note your waist size, and commit to finishing. Because the results will come if you stay consistent. Each workout is 10 minutes. Here's the format. Warm up, 2 min. High knees, 30 sec. Arm circles, 30 sec. Torso twists, 30 sec. Standing toe taps, 30 sec. Main workout, 7 min. 30 sec work, 10 sec rest. Exercises change each week. Cool down and breathing, 1 min. Deep belly breathing to flatten your core and calm cortisol. Let's break down week 1 together. Week 1, day 1-7, focus, activate, and burn. Jumping jacks, standing oblique crunches, mountain climbers, Russian twists, no weight, leg raises, plank with shoulder taps, side plank dips, 15 sec each side. Repeat daily. After each workout, take 5 minutes for deep belly breathing. Inhale through the nose, expand the belly, exhale slowly, squeeze the core. 10 deep breaths. This breathing not only reduces cortisol, but strengthens your transverse abdominis, the deep core muscle responsible for flat abs. Here's where most people mess up. They train hard, but eat wrong. Follow these 3 rules for 30 days. Cut sugar, especially liquid sugar. No soda, juice, or sugary coffee. Protein at every meal. Eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, Greek yogurt. 1 plate rule. Eat from 1 plate, no seconds, no snacking between meals. Bonus tip, drink a glass of water before every meal to reduce appetite. Week 2, day 8-14, focus, sculpt and shred, skater jumps, crossbody mountain climbers, flutter kicks, bicycle crunches, standing side bends, leg raises with pulse, plank jacks. Your body is getting stronger and you're burning more fat daily. Keep breathing, keep tracking. Every 7 days, check your waist measurement, how your clothes fit, energy levels, picture progress. This keeps you motivated and accountable. Post your journey online, tag us with Dr. Power Life Fat Challenge. Week 3, day 15-21, intensify and lean out. Burpees, 30 sec, oblique V-ups, reverse crunches, high knees with twist, side plank reach-throughs, scissor kicks, plank hold, 60 sec. Welcome to the grind zone. This week builds mental and physical toughness. The fat is falling off. Don't stop now. 30 days isn't just about your body. It's about your mindset. Here's what separates those who quit from those who win. Consistency beats intensity. Discipline over motivation. Do it even when you don't feel like it. Repeat this to yourself every morning. I'm getting leaner, stronger, healthier, 1 day at a time. Week 4, day 22-30, final burn. Burpees with oblique tuck, plank hip dips, bicycle punch crunches, side plank knee drive, mountain climber sprints, V-ups, forearm plank hold, 90 sec. Bonus finisher, 5 minutes, 1 min jump squats, 1 min fast high knees, 1 min Russian twists, 1 min plank with reach, 1 min deep breathing core focus. This final week sculpts your abs and locks in the burn. Every drop of sweat is a step closer to your goal. 30 days. That's all it takes to change your body and your mindset. If you're ready to take back control of your health, if you're sick of hiding your waistline, if you're ready to live strong, join this challenge now. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're starting today. Tag your friends, hold each other accountable, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll be checking in every week. Until next time, keep grinding, keep sweating, and remember, you've got the power to transform your life.